This is what I'm saying, man. Do you know you can create YouTube shorts within seconds just by going to your ChatGPT, ask it to write a script for you, a script prompt that you can use to generate any video of your choice. I will show you down how it's being done. Very easy and so smooth. And God, if you see this video, like, oh damn, man, this is damn crazy, man. And I also tell you also how to generate image using YouTube, YouTube AI, Meta AI, so many AIs that you can use to generate any shot of your choice. Any shot. Just watch down. Let me show you how it is being done. We go down to your ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT here. You tap your ChatGPT. Okay. Let me use the rotate so it's okay. Yes, this rotate. Now, I want to give you the prompt that I want to write for me. Write uh um a script prompt um to generate to generate Virgin Mary image. Okay, make it so realistic that anyone seeing it will think wait okay think it's real. So now what I'm giving this ChatGPT here is write a script prompt to generate Virgin Mary image. Make it so realistic that anyone seeing it will think it's real. Let's go down to it. Let's write it down for us. Let's see what is going. Okay, here is it. Here is a powerful, ultra realistic AI image generation prompt for the Virgin Mary. It is written and produced. Kai. Okay, now just see the prompt here now. Write the prompt down for us. Now what to do now is just copy this prompt. Just this prompt. Let's copy down. No, it's not copied. Let's copy from beginning. Yeah. Go down, copy. Now this is it. I copy this image. Can leave this one. Then what next here? We go down to your Meta AI. This I will show this the first one. You can use Meta AI. This Meta AI here to generate the image. You can still use YouTube AI. This is what videos on Meta AI can do. So now give it here. Now let it generate it within I say 15 seconds. It will generate this image now. Watch and see. Let's watch and wait. Now the image is done. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Look at how real. Who will say this image is not real? Now let's save it. Let's save this. Now save this. Then save this. Now once again you can generate image. See this animate. You go there, then you will tell him that's what you do. Move in divine lightning. in divine light. Let me just use this one. I don't know what to. Okay, it's generating. Letting generate for me. Now it is done. Watch and see. Sasha smiles. Now this is for the Meta AI. You can generate a realistic image from this Meta AI. Then let me go down to the YouTube AI. Now this is my YouTube. Open your YouTube. Straightforward. How to do it. Then go to your that plus. Then where you see short, other short. Where you see add sound, there's one stuff close to it. You tap there. Then you see this image. You can see this image photos to videos. You can use that photo to the videos and generate. Now let it open. This you want to give this photo now that you generate to let it form to video. This is what's going to for us. Now woman smiling, cesareans, ancient scroll. You pick from anywhere I want to use. Let me see. I want to use sparkling, embrace, the scrum, and inner peace. Woman stand hand in going. Okay, let's use this one. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for the miracle. Why is it wasting time? Oh, okay, it's done. So, are you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm just saying here? This is what is how it's being done. You can create any shot of your choice in seconds. In seconds, this video is done. Let me upload this one. Yeah, add sound. Let me add sound I want to use. I can add more sound, more videos. Let me see. No, let's go here. Then what I want to write here. Ave Maria. Then I'll tag any shot of my choice. I will tag this video. Then promotion. No, I'm not paid to do this. Alter content, yes, because I use AI to do this thing, so I have to put altered content. Then private, I can schedule the timing. Let me say on 4th, which is today. Then time, which is 3:44. Can I use 4 o'clock? No, let me use no. Let me see something. No, let's use 4 o'clock. Sharp 4. Let you upload. It will give you 16 minutes to upload. Okay, and it's uploading. So guys, do well to subscribe to my channel. Love you. So now it's uploading, and that is all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Godwin Freedom for more videos.